Quick heads up, there's a hidden gem I found for anyone wanting to test AI tools without spending a dime. This is Toolify.ai, the most comprehensive directory of over 26,000 AI tools. But here's what makes it awesome: every tool shows its free usage limits up front. No guesswork. If you're like me and love experimenting with AI, this saves so much wasted time. I've personally used more than 10 tools this month, and Toolify made it easy. You can find the AI tools based on each category, from image editing, education, chatbots, marketing, and even architecture design AI tools, which you may not be able to find through a Google search itself. It's totally free to use, and yes, it works smoothly, no hidden traps, no sign-up surprises. Seriously, if you want to explore AI tools smarter, start with Toolify. I'll drop my UTM link in the description. Check it out and make your AI journey way easier.